This is Tuck with Tuck GC. Yesterday we finished up this nice VDOT apron and driveway job in Falls Church. Let's take a closer look. So VDOT allowed us to do a CG-9B because of the proximity to that water meter over there. So we were able to put the smaller radius, which was nice, because if we had the big giant radius, it would have restricted us and it would have went right in front of that. We would have had problems. We would have had to shift everything over. But the design idea here, the house is a little crooked with the street, so we're always trying to line this stuff up and make it look as aesthetically pleasing as possible. So we just did a straight line from here, square off the curb, and at the very end, you can't see it, but that one goes at a little bit of an angle to the house, but looks nice. We poured the driveway the first day, did the apron the second day. That's why you see the little bit of a color difference. Once this cures, it'll all blend in. Even though we don't have the sidewalk here, like I always talk about, there's the 4-foot pedestrian access route before it kicks down to the street. Really cool little design idea. This client has a lot of other concrete pavers precast material on the property, and it has like a 45-degree angle on the edge. So we actually bought a special tool to match that. And then we did these nice little squares here where they're either going to put artificial grass in the future or some river rock back in those joints. But it was a nice, cool idea just to break up that walkway a little bit and make it look nice. Finish looks outstanding. Everything looks really good. Once this cures and all that color is consistent, it'll look even better. Like always, thanks for watching our videos. We are the company to call for these VDOT aprons or any concrete work in general. I hope you like what you see and you'll give us a call for your project as well. Have a good day.